Welcome back to my channel. I don't really be on here like that. My bad. I mean, I have a bunch of videos and a bunch of content, but I just be procrastinating, and I'm just trying to, you know, live in a moment and not be all on my phone all the time, you know. Anyway, so saying all that to say, this is going to be y'all watching me set up my, what is today? Jeez Louise, Lord. My bad. Anyway, this is gonna be a long vlog. Anyway, pretty much. So what it is I had filmed a bunch of videos, but I never got them out. So, you know, y'all just gonna see like all at the same time from the time I moved in. I moved in April. And I'm loving it. I can't be mad. I'm not mad. Anyway, that's my little work desk. As you can see, I don't really have too much furniture. My couch is coming tomorrow. But the first thing I really found.
Yeah.
You know, a drill bit and stuff like that. And if you look a little closely, you kind of see my drill bit. But that's neither here nor there. Shouts out to Zenus, Zinus, who they steady advertising. So easy, you can do it by yourself. That's why I need a boyfriend. Sometimes I need to be in different languages. I don't like it. If you a furniture company, please stop putting it in different languages, or at least explain it. Stop translating from your native language. Just put it in English so that we can understand it, because when y'all translate it from y'all language, it don't be doing what y'all think it's doing. Like, it sounds crazy in English. And I understand, like, you're just trying to, you know, get your business and get that popping, but like, look, I called it, baby. Easy, 1, 2, 3, and watch it be like hard. I'm gonna read it upside down, like, girl. This is my couch, futon, whatever. She probably here. I'm at work right now. I'm just watching to see if I can call. So if I do, then you won't see that. Anyway, I'm about to open it up and start setting it up some more. And it's also here you go. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. It's supposed to be pink, so I'll insert a picture of what it looks like on Amazon.
Yeah.
Mia. If you didn't know, now you know. Yeah. So if you can't tell by the title, this is anyway, I don't know, I think I might include 2 videos because I have some other stuff coming. So yeah, but for the most part it's Fashion Nova. I might include some other stuff, but anyway, so I'm gonna try it on for you. And yeah, y'all are gonna tell me what y'all think in the comments. Yeah, let's get this light in the man, let's keep that too. So I'm not gonna show y'all my handles or anything like that, but this is the wig. Where are my scissors? It a little bit because you're sitting on my counter. You see a little booth action. Not your business, please. Okay. But y'all, yeah. Hold on. Before I get started, Fashion Nova.
Yeah.
Y'all always texting people, emailing, all the people business pockets, all that, and y'all can't even update y'all motherfucking shipping. There's no reason why this package said it wasn't gonna be here until the 19th. There's no reason why. Okay? There's no reason. Especially when I ordered on the 2nd. Beach. I'm gonna try not to. So this is all clothes. The other order is, some of it is shoes. You know how they do, right? So. What they say? How to return. Got the shipping shit. So I saw this bag I really wanted on Instagram, but I had found it on Fashion Nova too. So you know me, I'm an affordable bitch. But it took so fucking long. I don't even want the damn bag no more. Child, I was about to call them cancel their ass. They had me fucked up. Anyway, so I have this bag. It's a shoulder bag. Obviously, if you've been on Fashion Nova, then you know. Anyway, this is a dress. I don't really wear dresses like this, but it's sometime in the beach y'all work. Love Santana, I really do. I spent all my days quoting him. But yeah, I got this too. Cause you know, at one point I need a titty bit. So yeah, I don't even know if my boobies could fit in this, but I'm gonna try. Perfect. And then what's this? Is this the dress? Oh no, baby, these those pants. I'm really excited about those. I hope they fit super. And then, yeah. For real. And this is a dress. I don't know what to tell you. What's this? Oh, ho. I know I ain't get two of the same thing now. Hold on now. Let me look at this. I hate that shit. I take it too long. I hate this. I hate when I be doing that shit. I gotta stop buying stuff while I'm like, it's late at night. Cause that's really what it be. Like I be shopping late at night. I'm one of those people. I sleep all day. Like after I get off work, I be tired, and then I get on here. I get on these websites, and it be like, ooh, I think I want this. You know how they send those little ads? I be like, But if anybody want a bodysuit, holla at sure. But I'm gonna try them on. I'm gonna go by how I paired it, you know, and stuff they did. But yeah, so I'm gonna try the dress first, and then I'm gonna come back. Yo, I'm not too neat about it, but also, so it's not gonna be. I should fix this, but girl, it's getting Beyonce. I gotta fix it. I just want to cut it. But I'm not mad. Anyway, so like if I gotta fix this first too. Because it's giving this. Okay. And it's not really yellow-ish. It's more mustardy. But I don't like how this part is. So I think you know? But I'm gonna save my beast for my beast because that's my favorite. That's what I'm really, really doing. Okay, so I gotta figure out how to tie this top, but this is where I think it is. I'm thinking about these pants, and the pockets all around. I brought them together like to be an outfit. Even though we don't necessarily go together. But whatever. Let me see what it's a this is a dress. So let's try the other one. Okay. This is cute. First one. This is what it looks like. If you see the tag, mind your business. I'm gonna take it off once I'm finished. But this is how it looks. It goes all the way down a little bit, like it's not perfect. It'll go to my ankles. So I'm gonna see that. This is what it looks like. But yeah, so that's really good. I just this. You see what you see. But it's really cute and comfy. I'm not too mad about it. And if you're looking at my hair, you're into it. Don't say nothing. This is there. I'm gonna have a song. This is probably the one that fits the best. The one I really like. I like it all. Like the shirt and not so much. I really like the pants, but the shirt really just went with it, and it was like, no brainer, dude. So, stay tuned. If you are watching this work, please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you get notified anytime I upload a video. I would appreciate it. Thank you kindly. I don't know if I'm gonna be one of those YouTubers who make up a name for y'all, but yeah. So this is how the shirt looks. So it you know, connects. I guess I was like, you connected the coochie. It connected the kum kum, the little meow meow. I had got accidentally, I broke 2 of these. I try to be mindful, but if you ladies, if anybody is a 1X, and you want it, if you like it, then I'll let it. Okay. I'm not mad about it. I'm not mad at all. I'm short. Baby, I'm 5'3". This is probably for a sword with body. Cause baby, it was hot. It is hot. Okay? Okay. So, I'm gonna give y'all a little tour-ish. But do you see how the booty is sitting?
She got that look in her eyes, says she belong to me. And she down the ride, she coming right along with me. Ain't another one like her, and she know that. New flame, ain't fucking with my ex, she a throwback. Ain't trying to go back, I'm rocking with a better chick. Went from a no I want to a never say never chick. Progression is the key I see. Girl, see all the potential I couldn't see in me. She know that it's me and me, no stress.
Not really a heel kind of girl, anyway, so this is what it's giving. I didn't necessarily, so okay, right, look. It's stretch, not a problem. It's stink, that's the problem. I don't know what it is, like, I don't know. It is, it stinks, I don't know. I'm not saying it's a fish, but it's like, it stinks, baby, it stinks. Anyway, so, it's not hard to, you know, adjust it to like, so like if you're a big girl, I would say get up in size so you can have that elasticity. Oh, baby, that is anyway, go up in size. So if you think you will fit, so if you normally XL, go up to a 1X, not because it's tight and it might not fit, but because you probably have big thighs like me, right? Anyway, so it just provides a little bit more comfort, so you can do things like this. Personally, I mean, like, I didn't really jiggle too much, you know. But so you're not like sucking in your stomach. You want to be comfortable. You want to look cute, but be comfortable. Girl. Stop squeezing into things, you know, they don't really make sense ethnically. Like really, for real. No, for real. But be comfortable, ladies. You're buying stuff. This fits me. I just snap it at the bottom. I stopped snapping things at the bottom because baby, I be trying to get things off when I come in the house. Okay, when I'm drinking, I want to do my thing. Like the fizzle. You feel me? Okay. But anyway, so that is technically the last of the outfits. Here are the accessories. This is probably my favorite outfit, but this is something that I've been wanting for a minute now. So you know how they go. Fitting on them, please. I don't know how that's supposed to do. Oh, so you can wear it as a belt, I believe. This is what they're trying to say. So I could wear it like this, which is cool because baby, I got hips for these. You feel me? But you can, I think, take this off or wrap this also around your hips if you can. I probably can. Get the first one on was a miracle. So this one, shout out. And I refuse to be uncomfy for some shit like this. Anyway, so this is what it looks like on your waist. Your waistline. Oh, you can remove it. Okay, so that's cool too. I'm not mad about that. But you could also clip it and hook it. You know how to do. And I believe it is adjustable in some form of fashion. I don't know. I just wanted it. So, I really wanted it for my trip to the babies. So, cause I have this big, this purse. Like I have purses now. I gotta get these clothes off me, they itchy. Anyway, I have this big humongous purse, baby, with a big old fat ass wallet. I'm like my grandma. Anyway, and then I have 2 big bags in my closet. So, you know me. Yeah, that's what I got that for. And it's a reflecting type of thing. You can probably see it, but anyway, it's supposed to reflect. I don't know. I ain't really try it out either. So, but yeah, so I just wanted to come in here and show y'all this, etc., etc. And then it's definitely adjusts. So this is probably my favorite one too, to go with this fit. What the hell? This is not sponsored. Y'all don't know me. I don't know them. You know, I just shop at Fashion Nova from time to time because, you know, I mean, everybody knows Fashion Nova. But, you know, I really like some stuff on Shein too, and I don't really know how to feel about that right now. So, you know how that goes. But if you are a Black-owned business, please drop your stuff in the comment section, and I will be sure to check it out. I don't mind supporting my people before I support, you know, like shit like this. So, like, if you got some of the same quality or better, let us know. Obviously, you know what a fanny pack looks like. I'll show you in a minute. This is it. Pretty much put it, you can fit your phone in there, like your wallet, or like a wallet, like a little wristlet type G joint thing. But yeah, and that concludes. You hear that? Anyway, that concludes that. So mind the hair. If you're looking at my hair and you're talking about it, you are anti-Black. I don't care. If you're in Houston and you do locks, braids, overlocks, weaves, overlocks, at me, please. I just want y'all to know I care about my hair. So if you're gonna play in my face, please don't do that. Please don't do that, because I will pay for what I want. So look, I'm just trying to get box braids over my locks. I'm not trying to pay $350 to sit there for 3 hours. Your work is your work. Your business is your business. I'm being honest with you. I'm not gonna pay anything over $200. I'm not gonna lie to you. Baby, look. Okay? I don't even have that much locks, okay? But for quality, y'all, for tuning in, watching, whomever, whenever. I appreciate it. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, share, please share. And yeah, turn on those post notifications for your girl. And you know, bye.
Down for the long run, and I see you still around. It's been a long one. Always been A1 since I met you, and the vibe that we first had, I always knew that you was special. Look, standing in the sun.